Hi, welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering setting SMART goals, how to achieve success step by step. So let's get started. What are SMART goals and why are they important? We all need a bit of structure and focus to avoid getting distracted along the way. And this is where SMART goals come in handy. So, what's so smart about them? Think of it as making your goals easier and breaking them down to attain your objectives. By making your goals smart, you're increasing your chances of success and measuring your progress along the way. They help us stay on track, make efficient use of our time and resources, and lead us closer to our desired outcomes. Now, before we dive into the steps, let's talk about the importance of having a positive and realistic mindset before setting our SMART goals. Let's say you're driving a car on a road trip, and your mindset is the fuel that keeps you going. If you fill it up with negativity and self doubt, you won't get far. But if you choose positivity and believe in yourself, you'll have a much smoother journey. And now for a dose of reality. Remember that success doesn't happen overnight. Consistency is the name of the game. So let's fuel up with realistic positivity and get going. Let's summarize. We are preparing, identifying, and setting our SMART goals to achieve success step by step. The three key points into doing so are: 1. Write down your goals with specific details. 2. Break down your goals into measurable milestones or targets. And 3. Reflect on your values and long term vision to ensure your goals align with who you are. You've got this. Set those SMART goals, believe in yourself, and embrace your journey towards success. Keep hustling, dream big, and make it happen. These were some steps and actions on setting SMART goals, achieving success step by step. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering mastering leadership skills, inspiring and leading others. Ask questions or suggest topics related to your career or personal life in the comments and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive yet realistic mindset. See you next week.